Every great company started as an idea in someone's head. A simple thought, a small spark. But what if your university gave that idea a real chance to grow? Welcome to KIIF, Karnavati Innovation and Incubation Foundation, a business incubator recognized under multiple state and central government policies. KIIF is not just a department, it's a launchpad. An independent organization built within Karnavati University with one mission to turn student ideas into real-world impact. We believe ideas should not be limited to classrooms because most students already have the drive. They have curiosity, they have the spark. What they often lack is the system, the mentorship, the funding, the infrastructure, and the right connections to move from idea to execution. That's exactly what KIIF provides. At KIIF, support is not a one-time intervention. It's a complete 360-degree ecosystem. From co-working spaces and expert mentorship to legal assistance, fund access, and industry partnerships, everything a founder needs is brought together in one place. KIIF also plays a critical role as a bridge between innovators and government funding. Through key schemes like SSIP, Startup India Seed Fund Scheme, Startup Gujarat, Genesis, and MSME, KIIF has enabled access to significant funding opportunities for student-led startups. The numbers speak for themselves, but behind every number is a founder who dared to try and a system that chose to support them. From a student to a founder, these are not just names on a list. They are individuals who walked into KIIF with an idea and walked out with a company. From drones and medtech to sustainable textiles and gaming, KIIF doesn't decide what you build. It ensures that you can build it. At KIIF, we take pride in supporting some of the most promising minds of our country, helping them access funding, build solutions, and bring their ideas to life. Because KIIF startups are not just building businesses, they are building solutions for a better world. KIIF also runs a dedicated acceleration program for women founders called Winnovate, which empowers women to take their ideas forward and build scalable ventures. Winnovate is a focused 4-week journey where women founders move from idea validation to building strong business models and preparing for fundraising. Through mentorship and hands-on support, Winnovate is helping create more women leaders in the startup ecosystem, contributing to a more inclusive and innovative-driven future. By organizing focused defense innovation challenges and demo days, KIIF creates a direct bridge between startups and Indian Army. Through these efforts, KIIF is not just supporting startups, it is contributing to a stronger self-reliant India. Where innovation plays a key role in national security, KIIF startups are aligned with global priorities, contributing to the UN Sustainable Development Goals. You have the idea, we have the system. Together, we build a promising future.